Good day everybody, my name is Arenza. On this video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple software that I developed which is called CV/resume classification using machine learning. What this system actually helps you to do, it helps you to classify CVs. Maybe when you have collected a good number of CV that you want to classify it, maybe using the experience, their skills, and maybe so there's some skills that the company outlined that they want to see in the CV. So this software is going to allow you to be able to extract those information from those CVs, and is going to be a helpful tool for maybe a HR or a company that receive good number of CV, maybe trying to maybe classify those CV. Going through all those CV is going to be a tons of work. So now these are the little template CV that I use in testing the CV. As you can see, this is just a little template CV that I use in testing it, and this is the second one. And I also have another one that I will be uploading later on as we are moving on with the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to supply the system the CVs that you want to classify. First of all, you can easily browse. You can also connect a database to the system if you want to maybe connect after they have uploaded their CV on the database. You can easily connect the database to the system, and all you need to do is just to evaluate. First of all, you now come here, you can now select any CV that you want. You just do select it, and now you now upload it to the system. After you have selected a good number of CV that you want to upload, before now I have already uploaded some CV to the database that I'm using. After you have already uploaded a good number of CVs that you want to classify, all you need to do is just evaluate. When you click on evaluate, it's not going to evaluate all those CVs. Let's wait and see. As you can see now, I have already evaluated all the CV, and I started some information from the CV. First of all, I started name, the email, the phone number, the skills, and the college name. You can see some of the college name when I started, the degrees that each person have, the designation, and also he started some of the information that the experiences that person have outlined, the company that person have worked before, if actually he recognizes it, and it's now evaluate using those information that you have extracted. It will now maybe evaluate it, maybe now score those experiences, and then you can see the first person have up to 20.42 experience, the other person have 4.5, the remaining two the other person have 1.5, and there goes it. And again, you can see there are maybe as a company you have outlined maybe some maybe something like some skills that you want somebody to have, like maybe you want that person to have a project manager skills, maybe have a good communication skill, administration, problem solving, and so many other things. So when all these things are seen in the CV, you want those information to be extracted. As you can see, these are our outline skills that we outline that we want to see in those CVs, and those outline skills were actually doing what were extracted, and the outline skills what was scored. After the outline things was scored, it is now going to tell you. So again, you can also send it to Excel. After you have sent, maybe you can send it to Excel. The result you are going to get is going to be the same thing as this. It's just that it makes it easier for you to know, okay, to communicate with the result. You can easily send it to your you can easily send it to your head, and it will now evaluate it. You can easily send it to the company meeting and every other thing. Thank you for your time, and God bless you. Please, I really appreciate if you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you really need me to do any project for you, just please leave a comment below, and you can reach me through my mail. Thank you once again, and God bless you.